Mean Lean Machine. Arcimoto's latest personal transport is the Mean Lean Machine, an electric trike with a suspension design that allows it to lean like a bicycle. The vehicle uses Arcimoto's patented tilting technology, which gives the MLM more stability and smoother ride on nearly any terrain. The MLM has no throttle. Instead, it uses software to control hub motor's output based on the pedaling speed. Peddling also recharges the battery, giving the MLM a massive range of up to 200 miles combined with an auxiliary battery. There's no word yet on the pricing or availability, but the company is exploring the option to use this product as an exercising equipment. Truck Speedster. Currently in its functioning prototype stages, this personal transport was designed by German mobility company ZF. It features a 4 kilowatt rear hub motor without any pedals, making it reach top speeds of 28 miles per hour. And, like most tilting trikes, the Truck Speedster has 2 front wheels that tilts into corners while maintaining its dual LED headlights horizontally leveled throughout the process. Other features include disc brakes, anti-theft immobilization systems, and automatic tilt lock mechanisms. There's currently no word on when or if it will enter production. In the meantime, if you're enjoying the video so far, show your support by smashing that like button and stay tuned for the bonus personal transport that lets you transform any ordinary shoe into your personal urban mobility vehicle. Tatamel. In Japan's big cities, space is at a premium, which is why Arcimoto, the maker of K-cars, has released the Tatamel, a new folding electric mini bike. Classified as a moped in Japan, Tatamel's most unique feature is its portability. This personal transport can easily transform into a square small enough to fit under a desk, and Tatamel has rollers that allows it to easily be moved from outside to indoors when folded. The bike has a full front and rear suspension and a 600-watt motor with a top speed of 25 miles per hour and a range of around 31 miles. Some of its other features include a full LED lighting system, the ability to charge other devices from its battery, and interchangeable side panels for advertising or other signage. Transformer. The Transformer looks somewhat like a mini motorbike that's been modded to rock kick scooter handlebars. Powered by a 960-watt hub motor, this personal transport can reach maximum speeds of up to 24 miles per hour and can easily tackle inclines of up to 28 degrees. A removable battery offers up to 28 miles of range per charge and can be swapped out for a fresh one in seconds. The vehicle sports 10-inch fat tires and dual braking and suspension, and according to the company, the lower center of gravity ensures higher stability and better handling on the road. Retail price starts around $3,000 US. Vendetta. Ungoverned powerboard's Vendetta can be described as an electric caterpillar-tracked all-terrain skateboard/snowboard. It has an articulated snowboard-like deck that the rider stands on, underneath which are 2 inline snowmobile-like treads. Powered by 2 brushless DC motors, this personal transport can reach maximum speeds of up to 16 miles per hour, providing an average ride time of around 40 minutes. The Vendetta utilizes a handheld wireless controller for acceleration and braking, while it steers like a regular skateboard. The same device additionally displays information such as current speed and battery charge level. The project is currently in its prototype stages with a planned retail price of around $5,000 US. Electrom. The Electrom light electric vehicle is an emission-free e-bike designed specially to replace your car. Created by Canadian cyclist and entrepreneur Fabrizio Cross, this personal transport has a narrower, more agile design that allows you to skim through traffic while maintaining the exercising and environmental advantages of a bicycle. There is no bicycle gears. Instead, the vehicle uses a generator chain device pedaling system, which works like an automatic transmission. This way, the riders can pedal as much or as little as they wish, giving them the best possible riding experience. The battery pack offers up to 200 kilometers on a single charge. Moreover, you can opt for an extra battery pack to increase the range to around 400 kilometers. The Electrom also offers 120 liters of secure cargo space in the rear, and if you choose to remove the cargo hatch in the back, you can even use the space to carry a passenger. Fun utility vehicle. The all-electric Arcimoto's FUV, or the Fun Utility Vehicle, is basically a reverse trike sporting a three-wheel design propelled by twin front motor. It weighs just about 1,100 pounds and can comfortably seat 2 people. On a full charge, this personal transport offers an estimated range of around 70 miles for the base model and 130 miles for the extended range model. Its dual motor drive system can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles in around 7.5 seconds and has a top speed of 18 miles per hour. The low center of gravity and anti-dive optimization ensures an agile and responsive ride. Esen blades have electrified the rollerblade inline skates that many of us grew up with. At just around 8 pounds each, these blades boast two 105mm aluminum rims wrapped in silicon-based wheels, complete with a fast swap lithium battery pack, all powered by a 400-watt rear hub motor. A wireless remote lets you control both blades simultaneously, whether it be accelerating or stopping on a dime. This personal transport is expected to hit top speeds of up to 16 miles per hour, tackling inclines as steep as 20 degrees. On a single charge, you can expect up to 9 miles of use, perfect for running small errands or a morning stroll in the park. And the best part is, the users can select their own boots or use the company's own Dude boots.